nice and lovely. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of chicken, and I'm gonna make this for Thanksgiving Day. I will upload it before Thanksgiving Day, how you guys can do this. I'm gonna do this one in the oven. I'm gonna fry it in the oven, less oil, and you know, it's gonna be very easy and simple. So I'm gonna show you how you can do a fried chicken in the oven for Thanksgiving Day. All right, if you want to add more chicken, get a whole lot of chicken, cut it up and fry it if you like the way I'm going to do it. So this is how we're going to start it, and it's gonna be simple and straightforward. So first thing, 1 teaspoon of mixed herb. All right, I love to use the mixed herb on all of my ingredients because it is herb, you know what I mean? It's just because of it dry, you know. So we're gonna use a little bit of dry thyme. I'm going to crack some pepper. Lovely and nice. So this chicken, we're going to do it in the oven, all right? We're gonna put a little bit of chili powder, not much. Half tablespoon of chicken season. If you don't have one of these garlic squeezer, you need to get one. You need to get this for your Christmas. Go to chefricardo.co.uk, go to stores, click on it, and we can send it once you buy it. Alright, now let's squeeze them out like this. We're gonna use a few cloves of garlic on it. And once you squeeze it out, this is a trash. Wow. Look at this one. Just put it in like this. Look, guys. See? Just pull off the garlic and put it in it. And just do this. Look at this. Oh my God. This is amazing. Look at this. Just put the garlic in it and squeeze it out like this. Just put the garlic in it. And squeeze it out like this. That is beautiful. What we're going to do is this. Put half tablespoon of blending season, Chef Ricardo natural blending season. Once you put on all of those simple ingredients, all you're going to do, get the gloves and marinate up the meat like this. And you have a lot of garlic. And then you have Chef Ricardo natural blending season. Can't go wrong. and I remove the skin from the chicken because, you know what I mean, sometimes I leave the skin, but I just remove the skin because sometimes it's a little bit too fat. Alright, once you marinate the chicken, leave it for it to soak for about 2 hours. If not, you can marinate it from the day before and use it the next day, after 24 hours. Alright, that's looking good. Now what we're going to do, put this one side and get a little bowl like this one. So we're going to show you how to make up the flour. Alright, so to make up the flour, a little bit complicated, but we're going to show you how to do it. Alright, this is a spicy fried chicken mix. You can get this in a local shop or your supermarket to buy. Alright, it is a flour mix, but look at this. Roughly about 5 tablespoons of plain flour. That's about roughly about a cup of plain flour I'm gonna use. Alright, 1 cup. And I'm using plain flour. See? Plain flour. That's the best one to use. Plain flour. Now we're going to get the spicy chicken fry mix. We're going to put a large tablespoon. Put half tablespoon more in it. 1.5 tablespoon. We're going to put a little bit of mixed herb. Little bit of chicken season, roughly about half teaspoon. Little bit of dry thyme. So what we're going to do is give it a lovely mix. That is lovely. Now, get the chicken and dip it in it like this. Put that one side. We're not using no egg in this one. Make this for Thanksgiving Day, guys. I did a lot of video like this on my YouTube channel, you know what I mean? So sometimes I just refresh up the YouTube channel with it, you know? You can fry it into some deep fry oil if you want to, but if you avoid the oil, this is what you have to do. All right, so that's the chicken. Now what you need to do, get a grease-proof paper, a tray for oven, piece of a grease-proof paper, just like this. And what you're going to do is simple, put a little bit of flour on the bottom of it. All right, and now get the chicken and put it in the tray like this, like what you see I'm doing right here, just like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. And that's simple. Put a little bit of flour on top of it. Alright, now what we're going to do is, I have some leftover chicken oil which I used earlier. I'm gonna simply put some oil on top of it like this. You can use olive oil if you like to. So once you do that, we're going to put this straight in the oven for roughly about, it will take about 40 minutes to an hour, the least it will take in the oven. Alright guys, if you're using electric oven, please use gas mark. If you're using electric oven, 165 to 170. If you're using gas, put it on gas mark 6 or 7. Alright, so now we're gonna just bake off this in the oven for 45 minutes. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. So basically that's it guys, chicken is finished, and now what we're going to do is shear it up. Alright, as you can see, the chicken looking amazing and less oil, so stay tuned and I'll let you guys enjoy. Alright, nice and lovely guys. So basically I just did some jollof rice to the fried chicken and it's just amazing. So enjoy it with some avocado. So enjoy the recipe, stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. I'm gonna make one of the world's best potato salad for Thanksgiving Day. I did not show you how I prepare the potato, but you just remove the skin from the potato and cut them into dices like this. Do not overcook your potato. Just want to cook them a little bit soft, not too soft like making soup. And I'm boiling 2 eggs. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the world's best potato salad. Right here, also I have 2 eggs which I've been boiling to use in the potato salad. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So this is cooked now. You don't want it to mush too much, cook too much. So that is finished. Lovely. Nice and lovely. As you can see, some steam is coming out. I just pour off the potato. Now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do this lovely potato. Nice and lovely potato salad. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how you can make the world's best potato salad. Alright, so right here I have some potato which I'm already cooked off, and I'm going to show you how to get it right to the point. First thing, I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper on it, and I'm using some cracked pepper. All right, grounded pepper. All right. Got got some sweet corn. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of sweet corn. And I'm gonna be using half of a white onion. Finely diced. Fantastic. So that's the white onion. And I have some spring onion which I'm going to be using for the color. Lovely. So that's the spring onion. Just gonna go through it, and that's gonna get a lovely color. Also, I'm going to put a piece of red pepper, finely diced. The color is going to be amazing, and honestly, you guys definitely gonna love it. The color is just amazing. I'm gonna put a piece of a yellow pepper, not much, just a tiny bit of yellow pepper. Finally diced. The knife is so sharp and an amazing knife. All right. You can cut it chunky if you like, but I mean, Chef Ricardo like to see it's a little bit more neater and simple and nice. Lovely. Also, I have 2 medium-sized eggs which I cook already. All right, and I'm gonna simple walk this egg through it. All right, that's a piece of a shell. And I wash off my eggs so much. Lovely. So I'm just gonna simply put the egg on it like that. And I'm what gonna do is run this beautiful. I got some light mayonnaise which I'm gonna put on it. I'm just gonna use my eyesight and put on the mayonnaise. You can also measure it, guys, if you like to. Lovely. Nice. You don't have to, but I'm gonna put a little bit of salad cream. And what I'm gonna do is simple. Give it a lovely mix. Put it still a little bit warm, but honestly, it is fantastic and nice when I finish with it. Oh my God, when I said I'm going to do the world best potato salad for Thanksgiving Day, you might have said, hey Chef Ricardo, you're telling a lie, you can't do that. Of course, okay. And this is exactly what I'm doing right now. This is beautiful and amazing. Oh, look at that. The color, the texture, and everything is just an amazing, guys, honestly. So as you can see it for yourself, this is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about when I say I'm going to do a lovely potato salad. As I said, the recipe on the YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo. Go over there, like, and I will put the recipe in the description box. Thank you so much. And as I said, this recipe is just fabulous and amazing. Look at that, guys. Fantastic and nice and lovely. The world best potato salad from Chef Ricardo cooking today. So basically, if I say I was going to share it out, but before I share it, I shall taste it. Whoa. This is amazing. This makes me want to cry. All right, here it is. I'm gonna share it out. So we're just going to share out this lovely meal. Look at this, guys. It is fantastic and amazing. All right, so this is some jollof rice. Lovely. This is that lovely potato salad. Remember, if you're doing this for Thanksgiving Day, guys, honestly, you can't go wrong. And I'm gonna put a little bit of coleslaw. Look at that. Amazing. Fantastic and nice. So guys, just enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave your comments, and please tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend, alright? I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye.